Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Flex Tape Rubberized Waterproof Tape. This is amazing, okay? This Flex Tape is something that I saw on television about maybe 8 months ago, and it was doing all kind of things. It was sealing up just about anything that you needed sealed and leak proof, whatever you're sealing. Like if you had like a crack in some kind of a pipe or like fish tank or whatever, you had a hole and like something sprung a leak somewhere and you needed to plug up that crack so no water leaked out. This does that. Oh, I just don't, it seems like it's from outer space or something, because what happened with me was I had a small little crack that sprung a leak from a PVC pipe attached to that was part of my sprinkler system outside in my yard, and it was sending a stream of water just in various directions. That was just ridiculous. I don't even know how the crack got there, but I needed to seal that up, and I was trying to think of all the different things that I could do, and there was a lot of different things, but I got this tape because I had seen it on TV about the Flex Tape. It really worked, and I didn't need to use a whole lot either. All I had to do was on both sides here, it's a roll of tape. On both sides here is an adhesive. Well, like on the side that you need, not both sides, but on the side that you need to stick, there's an adhesive. You peel this back, you peel that back, and then, well, first you would cut off how much you would need. Like if you need just a little bit, you take that off and then fit it onto the piece. After you pull back the adhesive, fit it right there on the crack and just push it in really good, nice and tight and firm. It doesn't take long either. You don't have to stand there forever and push it on. Just push it on really strong, nice and tight, and that thing will not move. You once you get it on there and you squeeze it really tight and you leave it for like a few minutes, that thing is on there. You will not be able to take it off. You will not be able to adjust it. You will not be able to do nothing. But it seals that hole. That hole is as if you welded it closed. It's amazing. There was no leaking around where the tape was or anything. It was really good. So get this, I tried it just messing around on a fish tank that I had, just to see if it actually worked like the way it worked on television. I filled the fish tank with like water, and I had a small crack. Well, first I put the adhesive on the crack that I had on the bottom of the fish tank, where it was leaking, the very bottom. I put this on there and sealed it on there really good, and then filled it with water and took it out in the backyard and just to see if it was actually going to work. It was a 40 gallon tank too, so I put this on there, and man, it worked. That was a lot of pressure in there of water. It should have sprung a leak, and I didn't have this on there for very long. I just put it on there, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it was fine. It held that thing on there. I couldn't get it off. I mean, I tried to move it or get it off, just to peel it back to see how, I mean, it turns to rubber, and it's like that rubber is melted onto your, whatever you're sticking onto. It's really good. It really works just like it does on television. It seems like it's, I don't know, made by aliens or something. I don't know what it's made of to be that sturdy and strong, but it really works well. Yeah, flex tape. And this comes in all kinds of different forms. I mean, I think the flex tape is the latest, but they have, like the flex liquid that you actually paint this stuff on, and it turns to rubber and seals whatever. That is what I'm probably going to get next, because that seems super cool. But I tried this one and it works very well. All right, well, we've been talking about the flex tape, rubberized waterproof tape. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.